Welcome. Let's explore the single responsibility principle, the first solid principle. The idea is simple. A class should have just one reason to change, one responsibility, not calculating, saving, and printing all at once. Look at this invoice class. It calculates the total, saves itself to the database, and prints a report. 3 unrelated jobs packed into one class. So it has 3 reasons to change. New tax rules, a new database, a new report format. One class, 3 tangled responsibilities. Look at this invoice class. It calculates the total, saves to a database, and prints a report. When we add send by email, the same class must be opened and edited again. 3 problems appear. It breaks the single responsibility principle. The calculation can't be tested without a database and printer, and changing the report format risks breaking persistence. Here's the solution, the single responsibility principle. We split the overloaded class into 3 focus classes. Invoice keeps the line items and calculates the total. That's the pure business logic. Persistence moves into InvoiceRepository, which saves the invoice. Report formatting moves into InvoicePrinter. Now each class has exactly one reason to change. Here is the class diagram for the single responsibility principle. The invoice class holds line items and calculates the total. InvoiceRepository handles saving, while InvoicePrinter formats the report. Both depend on invoice. Notice the idea. Each class owns one responsibility, so it has just one reason to change. Look at the comparison. Before, a single invoice class calculated the total, saved to the database, and printed the report, so it changed for many reasons. After applying SRP, the work splits into Invoice, InvoiceRepository, and InvoicePrinter. Now each class has just one reason to change, keeping the code clean and easy to maintain. The heart of SRP, one class, one reason to change. Benefits, focus classes, easier testing, lower coupling, contain changes. The trade-off, more small classes wired together through a coordinator. One class, one responsibility, one reason to change.